What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you 3 products that you can utilize at home to help cure kyphosis. But before we get into this video, I encourage you to click the like button below, and I also invite you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. Alright, so without any further ado, let's dive on in. Alright guys, so the first product I have for you today is called the Posture Corrector for Men and Women Comfortable Upper Back Brace Clavicle Support Device for Thoracic Kyphosis and Shoulder, Neck Pain Relief, and is FDA approved. So this is an awesome product to utilize when you're at home. You can actually put it on under your shirt and throw your shirt over it. So it's a good way to, have that 8 to 10 hours because most people are out either at work, the office, or whatever they're doing for about 8 to 10 hours every single day. So this is a good way to correct that spine for a duration of 8 hours every single day. As you can see, this lady has it on right here. She's sporting it kind of like a backpack. Looks pretty cool. So this is basically putting her spine back into alignment and curing and solving some of those issues that a lot of people suffer with kyphosis. It improves back posture, helps you stand up straight, and it reduces back pain. All right, guys, so let's read a little bit more about the product and what it offers. All right, so it reduces back pain and improves posture. Use under or over your clothes, like I mentioned previously. Vibo Care Posture Brace to realign your spine and reduce the pain caused by poor alignment. Don't worry if you experience a slight discomfort. It means the back brace is working and it's aligning your spine the way it should be. Build muscles. Realigning your vertebrae is not enough. You need to make sure you'll never experience back pain again. Take advantage of Vibo Care Elastic Loop to strengthen your muscles and prevent further damage. Boost flexibility. Now that your posture has improved and your back muscles feel stronger, you have one more step to go. Use ViboCare to recover mobility and complete your healing process. And it's also a 60-day guarantee, guys. So this product right here is going to make you stand up straight. It's going to improve that back posture. A lot of people have forward head posture. They're either at a desk, they're at the office, in front of a computer, on the couch watching TV, and they're in bad positioning throughout the whole time. And some people don't even realize this. They don't even know it. So what this product here is going to do for you, it is going to cure your kyphosis, have you standing up nice and tall, and being healthy like you should be. All right, so this is the first product. And I also like to mention that all these products that I will be talking about and displaying in this video can be found in the description below. I'll have links to all the items individually. I know a lot of people don't feel like taking the time and trying to find these products on the internet. So I said, let me make it easy for my subscribers. So if they wanted to be like, hey, I like that item, I want to utilize it at home, they can just go in the description, simple and easy, and be able to find the products. All right, guys. So the second product is called Apex Cervical Orthosis. All right, and it's very firm, guys. I utilize this product myself, and it does wonders. I actually had kyphosis for about a 2 to 3 year period, but after utilizing this product for 20 to 30 minutes every single day, within about 30 days, I saw instant relief, guys. And oh my goodness, I took x-rays and my spine was back into alignment. I couldn't believe it. It was amazing. This is a highly recommended product. It's called the Apex Cervical Orthosis. Only 24 bucks actually. Wow. All right. About the product, it's made in USA. Satisfaction guaranteed. All right. It helps decrease pressure on cervical soft tissue and counteracts forward head posture. Exactly, guys. A lot of people are having that forward head posture, that kyphosis, and this is going to help you combat that. Helps the recovery from acceleration and deceleration injuries. The Apex helps counter the negative forces caused by forward posture and works to gently reverse kyphotic attitude when used daily under the supervision of a spinal professional. All right, guys. So this product is telling you that you need to utilize it every single day. A lot of people think they need to go to a chiropractor for this issue, or they need to go to a physical therapist. And that is not the answer, guys, because what they're going to do is they're going to prolong your visit. They don't want you getting out there in 1 to 2 months. They want you staying there for a year, maybe 2 years, because that is their business model, to have clients paying continuity every single month when utilizing their services. So why not spend $100 on a variety of 3 products, utilize them every single day. These are self-physical therapy utilization tools that you can utilize at home. That is the answer to solving your issues, is self-physical therapy. Don't waste your money every single week paying a chiropractor in a physical therapy. It's not optimal and it's not viable for a lot of people. So I highly recommend these products. Like I mentioned, all of them will be in the link below in the description. All right, guys, so the last product is called the Cervical Memory Foam Contour Pillow. Comfortable orthopedic support pillow to shoulder pain and neck pain relief with 2 soft removal covers. All right, guys, this is a product you can utilize when you're sleeping. People are in that forward head posture 8 to 10 hours every single day at work, in the office, on the couch, whatever. They're in that bad positioning for 8 to 10 hours every single day. They don't even know it. So how do we combat that? We utilize a self-physical therapy utilization tool like this pillow that I'm showing you right now to combat that in your sleep, because you sleep for 8 to 10 hours as well. So that's how you combat it. You combat that bad positioning by utilizing this tool for 8 to 10 hours when you sleep. And it's no work because you're asleep on it, guys. So basically what you do is the pillow you have now isn't doing you any help. So you just swap it out, utilize this pillow, and sleep on it 8 to 10 hours every single night. And you should see drastic results in your kyphosis problems. All right, guys. So this product is awesome right here. And you can see how the people are utilizing it in the video. This guy's sleeping on his side. For people that sleep on their side, they can utilize it that way. For people who sleep on their back, they can utilize it this way. And you see him, he's getting up, he's feeling great, he's feeling wonderful after utilizing the product, and he's on to start his day. All right, guys, so this product is the best relaxation. It's therapeutic pillow, perfect, supports the head, neck, and shoulders. With the orthopedic pillow, muscles become relaxed and the spine stays in a level position. So it's actually correcting that spine and maintaining it. Comfortable pillow. The neck pillow perfectly holds its shape. You will fall asleep flat faster than before. Contour pillow made of high quality thick foam that reduces pressure points. Back or side sleeper pillow. Use higher or lower wave. During the first 2 weeks using ergonomic pillow, it's possible discomfort associated with an addictive body to a new correct position. So when you get into that new correct position, your body's going to have to adjust, but over time, it's going to be worth it because you're going to be healed and cured of kyphosis. All right, guys. So like I mentioned, you don't want to go to a chiropractor and physical therapist and waste money every single week and just waste money, guys, because they're going to try to prolong you. They can really fix you in 2 months, but they're not going to do that because that's not fitting to their business model. They want to keep clients paying that continuity, and they want you as an annual client. They don't want you just walking in and coming out after your problems are solved. So they're going to try to prolong your visit. So I highly recommend to spend $100 on a variety of 3 products and utilize them every single day, 20 to 30 minutes, and your problem should be cured. Like I mentioned, I had this issue. I had kyphosis, but I utilized these products every single day, guys. I wanted it so bad, so I utilize them every single day, and you can too. You can cure kyphosis with these 3 products alone. No physical therapist, no chiropractor. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I mentioned, all the links in the description to these items if you want to find them. Be sure to subscribe, and I encourage you to click the like button below. So without any further ado, I'd like to say, have a great day, guys. I hope you feel better, and I hope you take the next step in curing kyphosis. All right, guys, have a good one.